Hello viewers, in this video I'll be showing you how to use Font Awesome offline. So we start by going to the Font Awesome website, which is fontawesome.com. Before it come up, when it's up, once it's up, you scroll down to the bottom of that, you click on this, you need this Font Awesome, click on download. Yeah, we're going to be using this offline for our website. If you want to do that for desktop app, you click that, but I want to use that for websites, so click on download. While this is downloading, you can click on learn how to host Font Awesome yourself. Click on that. So this is going to tell you how to move the file and how to connect to that. So first we're going to download. After downloading, we're going to move the downloaded zip file from the download. We're going to copy this. Make sure it's complete done. Okay. Now we're going to copy this file. We're going to copy this file to our w www one www. So now I'm going to paste this inside my project. Then I'll extract the zip file in my project folder. Wait for it to complete. Now that is done, we delete the zip file. You can see this is in another folder, so let's just Control A, cut this, and paste directly into this, and then delete this. I would like to rename this. If you like, you can leave yours like that. I'm going to rename mine to just Font Awesome. Now that we have that, you can open your VS Code, and let's go back to the website. Copy this or type in this. I'm just going to copy this, paste it inside the edit tag, paste this here. Now we're going to change the path. So for this is font 6/css.font awesome. So to get that path, you just have to go to our project folder on CSS. Now this is the font it's talking about. Now let's just right click and copy path, or let's first click on property. You can see the path. And yours, I rename mine to Font Awesome, so the name of my folder is now Font Awesome. So you can just copy the paths. Here we have the paths, so that if I decide to paste the path here, you can see the path is c:/164/www/recent_video/font awesome/css font awesome. So since we know this is the path, we're just gonna remove this your path and just leave it Font Awesome, because the name of my folder is Font Awesome. If you didn't rename yours, make sure yours is showing yours has the folder name. So now that I've saved this, I can now type in any FA FE camera. You can see that. So now I have the font. So you can also add other fonts like, say, class. I say FE solid FE apps. Consider. So that's how to use fonts awesome offline. If you need other fonts that you don't know the code names, maybe you need other fonts and you don't know the code name, you can just go to the Font Awesome website, main site. Let's remove this doc. On this site now, we can just click on icons, then search for the font you want. Let's say airplane. Here we have airplane. You can see this. So we can just copy this code, add this, save it, and refresh into that. And also look for other fonts like I don't know, say Bell. Decide to add this kind of Bell or this. So let's just click this unique Bell. Then here, just copy that way. Add this. Go to your site and refresh. Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.